Hello.
It'll be fun to get in the water anyway.
What's that?
It'll be good getting in the water.
Yeah, well, we've been wet once today already.
Oh, yeah?
So upside down, literally.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You want to just give this a shot? Or do you want me to flip you over, flip you back?
No, it's all right. I'll give it a shot. Okay, so anyway, what we do is this, you hand forward like that, and then grab this, pull back. Well, first I should have done that, right, to let everybody know. Okay,
yeah. Kind of slows it down a little bit.
Yep.
And on the cockpit, on the grab loop, pop that off.
Yep.
Then place your hands right on your hips. Push up, kind of lifting your butt out first, and then the final motion.
Okay.
Am I gonna take the paddle?
Take the paddle. All right. Cool down quick.
Yeah, I want to turn downstream. I rotate, look where I want to go, and that helps spin my boat around. It'd be a nice position. But yeah, I made control of the stick and my paddle stroke until I decided on
Cold water. Hi. Oh, shit. I like it. Looks good.
Scared me, man.
Yeah,
I
that
turned
was
around and he was upside down.
right. Yeah, yeah. He maintained it a little bit longer than it was comfortable to watch there. So. Get back on that horse and ride it again.
Having a good time?
You bet. Yeah, I like this.
Laugh.
Yeah, I've been on a raft on this river through Browns Canyon with my son and granddaughter last year, but that was fun. Yeah. I think we found the swimming hole here.
Yeah. I hope I don't run anybody over.
All right, right down the middle. Yeah.